This video teaches you how to install a font on your Windows or Mac computer in order to use the font in Microsoft Word. Download a font from a trusted website. Fonts are a common way to transmit viruses, so take care to only download fonts from trusted sources. Avoid any fonts that come in .exe format, as fonts typically come packed into zip files or in TTF, TrueType font, or OTF, OpenType font format. Extract the font file if necessary. Right-click the font file and select Install, or double-click the font file to open and click Install. Click Yes if prompted. Wait for the font to install. Once the font is installed on your computer, it will be accessible by any programs which use system fonts, including Microsoft Word. Accessing the font in Word. Open Word and click Blank Document. Click the drop-down next to the font name in the Home tab. Find your new font. Scroll through the drop-down menu until you find your font's name. Click the font's name. Then try typing using the font. You may need to adjust the size of the font in order for it to be legible. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.